Hey, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how paid advertising can help boost your website rankings. This is a short video, real quick couple of tips here. The idea is to increase exposure at first to maybe a blog post or a video, and then it may go viral. For example, you may add a Facebook post or a video on your business page. Now, once you do that on your business page, you might be able to put, I don't know, 10, 15 bucks on it and boost it. Boost it to your target audience in your city, in the area you provide services in. If the post or the video is really good, if it adds value, then from there, it may just go viral. So that's the idea, that you put some money up front. So once initially people see it, they get so excited, they like it so much that they just start sharing it with others. So as they share the link to your website, as that drives traffic to your website, that will help you increase your website's rankings. So once again, you put some money up front, but once the post or the video goes viral, then you don't have to put any more money in it. It'll just continue to bring you views. It'll just continue to bring you traffic. And you can do something same on YouTube as well. If you have a new YouTube channel, if you have no followers on YouTube, you can do something similar. You can add how-to videos, put some money in them, let your local viewers see them, let your local people see them. And if they really like it, they may start sending traffic to your video from their own social media posts and so forth. So as long as these posts are motivational, they add value. I have seen this happen many times where businesses will put a little bit of money up front and then the post or the video goes viral from there. So this is a different kind of a strategy, but it works. We've also done it with my wife's business. It works. She will share a motivational story or post. We'll put 10 bucks in it, $15 in it, and then we'll just leave it alone. And once it starts getting traffic, once it starts getting traction, it can go viral from there, okay? So I hope that was helpful. This is something where you can get fast results. So I hope you'll test it, you'll try it, because end of the day, marketing is all about testing. You'll get better ideas as you do these strategies, as you implement them, right? So put some money in your Facebook post, put some money in your YouTube ads, and see what happens. And do share results with me. So I hope you liked it, and I hope you work on it, and I'll see you in the next video.